project, we're going to start working with Adobe Dreamweaver. I'm on my Mac here, opening up Dreamweaver 6. Looks like we're about ready to start. However, it looks like there's some files already in here for a site that was previously developed. I'm going to go up to this icon here which shows what looks like 3 computers networked together. And when I hover over it, it says site. I want to create a new site. And for this instance, I'm just going to call this Marlboro College example. Notice the title has spaces. This is not going to go on the web. This is a name that will only be seen through the computer. Now, I need to select a folder, so I'm going to browse for a folder. And I created a folder earlier, I think, called it JS Demo, and I put it on my desktop. Let's see, there it is, JS Demo. So now I'm going to select it and say choose. Okay, now I'm going to click Save. Notice what happens over here. Now, as you see, Marlboro College example, site Marlboro. Now I can open up File, New what? I'm going to create a new HTML page. And I'm going to leave the layout as none, and I'm going to create. I now have a page, but it doesn't have a name and it's not saved. I'm in the design view. I have a view here called a split view. I can see the code and the design, or I can just go to the code view. So here, I'm going to give a new title. Let's call this JavaScript example. And that's going to replace that up there, believe it or not. And I'm also going to save it. I'm going to File, Save, and it's going to save in this folder, JS Demo, and I'm going to get the title, well, the name, index.html. And this will serve as my root file for my folder, for my little mini website I'm about to build. Save. Now I have an index page here. If I want to look at it, I can do here, preview in browser. Let's see if I can open it up in Firefox. Firefox should be firing up now. And whoop, I have a page, but there's nothing in it. Well, the reason there's nothing in it is because there's nothing in the code here for it to display. So maybe I'll just put in H1, which is a big heading. Inside my H1s, I'll just type JavaScript example. And I'm going to save, File, Save. Now, once again, preview in Firefox. Hey, it says JavaScript example. We are coding, but at this point, all we're coding is HTML, not JavaScript.